Just let them in the new spot. They knew it right off. They came in and they were like, oh my, this is cool. Yeah, there's your friends right there. They're still there. You like it? You still have all this place. You still got all this. Is that better? Go get a drink, I bet you're hot. Oh, my battery's getting low. Is that so cool? I'm happy. I think they'll be happier too. Hi, Betsy. Did you have fun out? They just went out and had a jaunt. Hi, Betsy. Is your tummy full? Peaches. Mona and Lisa. Baby Annie. Jessie and Rainy. Everybody's hot. Here's the boy. The boys. Okay, get your drink. Go cool off.